In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel into ClickUp. Whether you're transitioning to ClickUp for its versatile project management features, or you're simply looking to centralize your data, importing Excel files is a straightforward process once you know the steps. To get started, you'll first want to head over to your ClickUp dashboard. From there, locate and click on your profile icon situated at the top corner of the interface. This will bring up a menu where you'll find multiple options. You'll then want to click on Settings. This is essential as it will lead you to where we need to go next. Once you're within the Settings menu, direct your attention to the left-hand side. Here, you'll notice various options available for customization and configuration. You'll need to click on Import, Export. This section is specifically designed for handling the data you bring into or take out of ClickUp, making it highly relevant for our task today. After you've accessed the Import-Export section, it's time to proceed by selecting Import Items. Click on this and then choose Spreadsheet. This is crucial because our objective is to import tasks from an Excel file. Now, the next step involves choosing the exact location where you'd like these imported tasks to appear within ClickUp. Typically, this will be a specific space or project that you've already created. Make your selection and then press Continue. In the subsequent window, you'll see the Upload File button. Click on it and navigate to your saved Excel file. It's worth noting that being organized and knowing where your file is stored will save you time here. Select your Excel file, and you'll notice ClickUp beginning to extract the file's data. Once the extraction process is underway, you'll have the opportunity to review and confirm each of the mapping choices. This step is vital, as it allows you to ensure that the data from your Excel file aligns correctly with the corresponding fields in ClickUp. Take your time here. Meticulousness will pay off. When you're satisfied with the mapping, go ahead and press Continue. ClickUp will give you one last chance to make any final adjustments before proceeding. If all looks well, press the Import into ClickUp button and watch as your data seamlessly integrates into your workspace. You'll then receive a confirmation that your Excel file has been successfully imported into ClickUp. Congratulations! You've successfully transferred your tasks, making project management that much easier. And that's it. Now you know how to import an Excel file into ClickUp, streamlining your workflow and keeping everything you need in one place. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one with more tips to enhance your productivity.